Have you ever wondered about the paths not taken, those moments when you stood at a crossroads contemplating which direction to go and how different your life might have been if you'd chosen another path? Imagine a world where you made a different choice, a world where every decision led to a new reality, each one branching off into its own unique existence. This choice could lead to a completely different life, perhaps in a different city with a different career, and even a different set of friends and experiences. This intriguing concept, often explored in science fiction, might be more than just fantasy. Authors and filmmakers have long been fascinated by the idea of alternate realities, using it as a canvas to explore the what-ifs of human existence. It's the idea of parallel universes, the possibility that our universe isn't the only one, but one of many coexisting realities. These parallel universes, or the multiverse, could be as diverse and varied as the stars in the sky. These parallel universes, also known as the multiverse, could be vastly different from our own. They might have different landscapes, different forms of life, and entirely different ways of functioning. They might have different laws of physics, different histories, and even different natural phenomena that we can't even begin to imagine. And within these universes, there could be different versions of ourselves living out lives that are both familiar and strange. Picture a universe where dinosaurs still roam the Earth, a world where the asteroid that caused their extinction never struck. Or imagine one where gravity works in reverse and people walk on the ceiling instead of the floor. While the concept might sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, it's rooted in theoretical physics. The idea of parallel universes isn't just a whimsical notion, it's a serious scientific hypothesis. Some of the most groundbreaking scientific theories, such as string theory and quantum mechanics, suggest that our universe might be just one of many. These theories propose that there are multiple dimensions and realities beyond our own. Let's delve into these fascinating scientific theories and explore the mind-boggling possibility of parallel universes. By understanding these concepts, we can begin to grasp the vastness and complexity of the cosmos and perhaps even our place within it. The idea of parallel universes expands our understanding of reality. It challenges the very fabric of what we know and opens up a realm of infinite possibilities. It suggests that our universe, vast as it is just a tiny bubble in a much grander cosmic structure, the multiverse. This multiverse could be teeming with countless other universes, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. Imagine a vast ocean with our universe being just one drop of water among countless others. Each drop represents a different universe, each with its own story, its own history, and its own set of physical laws. These other universes might exist in different dimensions, hidden from our view. They could be right next to us, separated by a thin veil that we cannot perceive with our current technology or understanding. Think of a two-dimensional flatland, unaware of the third dimension we inhabit. To the inhabitants of flatland, the concept of a third dimension is beyond comprehension, just as the idea of higher dimensions is to us. Similarly, we might be unaware of other dimensions where these parallel universes exist. These dimensions could hold the key to understanding the true nature of reality and our place within it. The nature of these parallel universes varies depending on the scientific theory. Some theories suggest that these universes are completely separate from ours, while others propose that they are interconnected in ways we cannot yet fathom. Some theories propose an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. In some of these universes, the laws of physics might be similar to ours, while in others they could be drastically different. Others suggest that new universes are constantly being born, branching off from existing ones. This process could be happening all the time, creating an ever-expanding multiverse. The possibilities are truly endless. Each new universe adds to the complexity and beauty of the multiverse, creating a tapestry of infinite diversity. There could be universes where time flows backward, where the past is the future and the future is the past, where gravity is a repulsive force, pushing objects away from each other instead of pulling them together, or where the laws of physics are entirely different from our own. In these universes, the very fabric of reality could be woven from different threads, creating worlds that are both strange and wondrous. The concept of parallel universes might sound like science fiction, but it's rooted in some of the most profound scientific theories. These theories stretch the boundaries of our understanding and challenge the very fabric of reality as we know it. These theories, while still being explored and debated, offer compelling evidence for the existence of a multiverse. The idea that our universe might be just one of many is both mind-boggling and exhilarating, opening up endless possibilities for what lies beyond our observable reality. One such theory is string theory, which attempts to unify all the fundamental forces of nature. String theory is a groundbreaking framework that seeks to reconcile the seemingly incompatible theories of general relativity and quantum mechanics. String theory proposes that the universe is made up of tiny vibrating strings, and different vibrations correspond to different particles and forces. These strings are incredibly small, far smaller than anything we can currently observe, and their vibrations create the particles that make up everything in the universe. Interestingly, string theory requires the existence of extra spatial dimensions, potentially hinting at the existence of other universes hidden within these dimensions. These extra dimensions are not something we can perceive directly, but they could be all around us, influencing the fundamental properties of our universe. Another theory that supports the idea of parallel universes is quantum mechanics, which governs the behavior of matter at the subatomic level. Quantum mechanics reveals a world that is fundamentally different from our everyday experiences, where particles can exist in multiple states at once, and outcomes are determined by probabilities. One interpretation of quantum mechanics, known as the many worlds interpretation, suggests that every quantum measurement or event causes the universe to split into multiple universes, each representing a different outcome. This means that every decision we make could create a new universe, where different versions of ourselves live out the consequences of those choices. These scientific theories, while complex, offer tantalizing glimpses into the possibility of a multiverse. They challenge us to think beyond the limits of our current understanding and consider the vast, uncharted territories that might exist beyond our own universe. It's important to note that these are still theoretical frameworks, and the existence of parallel universes remains an open question in scientific inquiry. As our technology and understanding of the universe continue to advance, we may one day find evidence that confirms or refutes these fascinating ideas. Until then, the concept of parallel universes remains one of the most intriguing and thought-provoking topics in modern science. Section 4, Many Worlds, Many Lives. The possibility of parallel universes raises intriguing questions about our own existence. If there are indeed countless other universes, could there be other versions of ourselves out there? The answer, according to some interpretations of these theories, is a resounding yes. In the vast expanse of the multiverse, there could be universes where you made different choices, leading to entirely different outcomes in your life. Imagine a universe where you pursued that unfulfilled dream, where you took that alternate career path, or where you made a different choice at a crucial juncture in your life. These alternate versions of yourself would have their own unique experiences, personalities, and destinies. The concept of infinite selves, while mind-boggling, is a logical consequence of some multiverse theories. If there are infinite universes with infinite possibilities, then there's a possibility for an infinite number of you, each living a unique and distinct life. Section 5, Could we ever meet? The idea of encountering our other selves in parallel universes is a captivating one, often explored in science fiction literature and films, but is it scientifically plausible? The answer, unfortunately, is likely no. While the existence of parallel universes is a fascinating theoretical possibility, the laws of physics as we currently understand them do not allow for travel or communication between these universes. Think of these parallel universes as existing on separate planes of reality, completely isolated from each other. Just like a character in a book cannot interact with characters in another book, we are confined to our own universe, unable to cross over to these other realities. While the idea of meeting our other selves might remain in the realm of science fiction, the possibility of parallel universes itself continues to captivate the imaginations of scientists and the public alike.